In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize your Trust Wallet experience to ensure smooth transactions and connectivity. We'll walk through several steps to fine-tune your settings and resolve common issues that may arise. Let's dive right in. First things first, go ahead and open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device. You'll want to locate the Trust Wallet icon, tap on it, and unlock your wallet using your preferred security method. Whether it's a PIN, fingerprint, or facial recognition, make sure you've got access to your wallet because we're going to do a quick review of some important details. Now that your wallet is open, have a glance at your balance. It's crucial to ensure you've got enough of the main token, as this will be used for gas, which powers your transactions. For example, on the Binance Smart Chain, BNB is needed. Ethereum relies on ETH, and for the Polygon network, you should have Matic. Keeping your gas balance in check will help prevent failed transactions and ensure everything runs smoothly. Next, let's check the network status to avoid any connectivity issues. Locate the settings or network icon in your app and tap on it. Make sure the network is online and properly synced. This step ensures that your wallet stays updated and that your transactions are processed without delay. Moving on, head over to the Settings menu. Here, select Preferences and then tap on App Browser if it's required. With this step, you're ensuring that the browser settings are active and dApps or decentralized applications are enabled. This is particularly important if you plan on interacting with platforms like PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Speaking of dApps, if you're already using one like PancakeSwap or Uniswap, you might need to refresh your connection by reconnecting your wallet. Find the Connect Wallet button and tap it to refresh. This little refresh can solve connectivity issues and keep things operating seamlessly. If you encounter swap errors, altering the slippage tolerance might be necessary. Inside PancakeSwap or Uniswap, look for the settings icon, typically depicted as a little gear. Here, you can increase the slippage tolerance to values like 1%, 3%, or even 5% if needed, and then try the swap again. There might be a time when adjusting gas fees can be beneficial, especially if you've got transactions that need to push through quickly. While sending tokens, find the Edit option under Network Fee and opt for Fast or even Advanced to increase the gas as needed. For those of you using a mobile browser, clearing the cache can resolve persistent issues. Simply head to Trust Wallet Settings and tap on Clear dApp Cache. This will help refresh your app and potentially clear up any lingering problems. Finally, if all else fails and as a last resort, you can try re-importing your wallet. Navigate to Settings, then Wallets, tap on the three dots, and choose Export Recovery Phrase. Please proceed with caution, and only do this if you have securely saved your 12-word recovery phrase. After exporting it, reinstall the Trust Wallet app and import your wallet using the recovery phrase. Remember, this step is critical and should only be employed if necessary. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to optimizing and troubleshooting your Trust Wallet. Thanks for following along, and happy trading!